Hey guys, so I am back with a different type of video, a little chit chat, okay, a little, get to know me type of video. I did talk about doing more of these on my channel during my chit chat get ready with me that I did sometime this month. Y'all, I'm just losing track of the weeks with putting out all these videos, okay? Yeah, definitely check out that video, but I'm coming on here with a real quick, I gotta film this quick because I gotta get to work, y'all. Y'all know I be getting ready for work, okay? What is it? Random facts about me. So I'm gonna get through as many as I can within my time frame allotted, okay? So here we go. All right, so number one, I am a CPA, a certified public accountant. That's what I do in my daily life, but I cannot stand taxes, so please don't be sending me your tax questions, okay? I just do hours, and then that's it. Don't ask me no tax questions. Don't ask me no tax questions. Taxes, no, honey. I do general accounting and property accounting and things like that. So, yeah, I'm a CPA. Pretty random, right, for a beauty YouTuber to be, CPA and on her day-to-day 9-to-5 thing. But yes, okay. So might not come as any shock, but I was going to go to beauty school when I graduated from high school. Then I was talked out of it by family members that said I couldn't make no money. So, but my intention, I had like gotten a little video and stuff. You know how you send in a request for information? I sent in a request for information and stuff from the local beauty supply school, not beauty supply school, beauty school and stuff. But then some family members got in my head that said I couldn't make any money with it. Now, if I would have, done that, you can't just harp on what you could have, should have, would have done, but I'm just thinking like, man, if I'd have done that, I probably could have, just hopped on YouTube right when it started coming up and stuff, be on that Instagram stuff. But hey, it is what it is. It is what it is. Here I am. Okay. Next, so I do my own nails. I don't go to the nail salon. I've always been the type of person that's like, do it yourself, mainly because I didn't used to have the money to go to beauty salons to do my hair. And so I would do my own hair. When I had a relaxer, I'd do my own relaxer. When I got to college, I did go to the salon when I got a job and stuff like that. But then that was getting ridiculous. $60, $70 and stuff. When you're in college, that's a lot of money. So, yeah, I would do everything myself. So then when I was curious about about making my nails look pretty, I would, paint my own nails. I learned how to do my own gel manicures. Then I learned how to do my own gel extensions. And now I have my gel overlays because these are my real nails, but gel on top with the paint. Girl, please. I be, yes, painting my nails and doing the little designs and stuff. Yeah, so I do my own nails. Yes. Oh crap, I got on my note. Okay. All right, so some of my favorite TV shows to watch, and I have the box sets of the DVDs. Who has box sets anymore? Who has DVDs? Let me know if you do, because I definitely do. The Fresh Prince. I love Will Smith. Oh my gosh. Okay. I used to have like a real strong crush, like especially in high school and college. It was just ridiculous. So anyways, Fresh Prince, The Golden Girls. Girl, whenever I don't have nothing to watch on TV or like on Netflix, I can't find nothing, I'll put in my DVD. My husband doesn't watch it, so I always have to be by myself and watch it. So usually when I have an off day, I got The Golden Girls in my DVD player just on repeat. I know the words to this stuff. Okay, same with Fresh Prince. I know the words. Okay, The Office. Oh my gosh. The Office. Amazing. That show is amazing. Oh, God. I know the words to that too. I've probably watched that series, all of those. The Office, I've probably at least watched it like 5 times. The entire, well, maybe not the entire, but the first like 3, 4, 5 seasons, I've probably watched it at least like 5 times in my life. Like seriously, ridiculous. So those are my top 3 TV shows, really. All right, so a food thing about me. I cannot stand peas. Those little like green balls. I don't like them. I cannot stand peas, guys. I don't know what it is. I've had this, I don't know if it's a phobia. I thought they smelled bad because I would get the free lunch at school and they just plop the little peas on the on the little square, the little tray, you have the little partitions or whatever, and they just always looked nasty and they always smelled nasty. And I do not like peas. If it's like in fried rice or something where it's just like interspersed but sparingly, then I can deal with that. I can kick it off to the side, or even if I like make a mistake and eat one, it's fine. But I remember distinctly this one time, my mom's husband, he made this stuff called pea salad or something. God, it was like with mayo and stuff like that. Like, you know how you have like potato salad, just like pea salad. Disgusting. I mean, at least I thought it was disgusting. And he like made me eat it. I'm like, dude, I don't like this stuff. I'm not going to eat this. He's like, come on, just try it. You'll love it. I put that in my mouth and I almost vomited. It was gross. It was probably my own thought, like making me think that it was more disgusting than it actually was. But I gagged and had to spit it out because peas just, I can't with peas. So yeah, keep them away from me, all right? Keep them away from me. I've never made any peas in my household. My husband likes peas, but he ain't getting them from me. He ain't getting them from me. He know that, okay? All right, so I went to school for nursing. So I am a CPA. I was going to go to school for beauty, you know, to cosmetology school, but I ended up going to school for nursing. And then in the end, I became a CPA. So yes, I was told that the job security of being a nurse is fantastic. So I decided to enroll in nursing school, but thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus, for the school that I went to that starts you in your clinicals in your first semester. Because when I went to clinicals, I was like, oh no, honey, this ain't for me. You have to have a really particular type of spirit, a particular type of heart. And I'm not saying that to be funny, to do that and to do it well. And I knew that when I was dreading waking up in the morning to go to clinicals because I just could not stand the work, I knew that I needed to get out of that thing real quick, okay? So first semester, of course we start school in August. December, I was changing my major, okay? I was like, oh no, honey, ain't happening. It's not happening. So yeah, I used to be a nursing student for almost an entire semester. Yeah, but I still graduated on time, honey. Yes, okay. Anyways, okay. All right, let's see what else. So I love doing things with my hands. Okay, so I've done a lot of different things, you know, with my hands. I like expressing my artistry that way, and I'm not the typical artist you might think. Like my little sister, she is freaking amazing with like painting and drawing and all that type of stuff. That's not my lane at all, but I like putting things together. I've made jewelry, several necklaces and there's a ring that I always wear on the channel. It's like gold with pearls. I don't have it on right now, but I made that. I make necklaces. I've made earrings and things. So that was a hobby of mine for a couple years. It gets kind of expensive, especially if you want to buy like the nice metals and stuff like that. That can be pretty expensive. So yeah, but I got like ring sizers and stuff. I got a bracelet sizer. I got mandrels to bang out the metal and stuff. I have got all of that stuff. And then also I would make handmade cards. So I was making handmade cards, birthday cards and stuff, stamping and doing lace and ribbon, all that type of stuff. So yeah, that was fun for me. And also with my hands, completely random. I just like putting things together. So we got a exercise bike. I sat there on the floor putting that thing together. My husband's like, man, I don't feel like being bothered with that. So I'm like, okay, well, I'll take it. Give me the instructions and I'll put it together. Or he wanted a new desk, so I went and bought him a desk, but he was not putting it together. I'm like, man, when you gonna put this together? Give me this, and I'll just put it together. You know, just doing things with my hands. I just like, you know, that type of a thing. And then I feel like with this whole makeup thing, that kind of expresses itself that way. So, oh, and I also made a blanket. This is completely random, but yeah, I learned how to make a blanket. So I've got a blanket in my house that I had handmade. Okay, I gave one away for Christmas, and I'm making one for my mom for her birthday in February. So I'm excited to send that to her. So yeah, all right. And then finally, completely random, I met Will Smith in college. I surely did. So in college I had a little bit of extra money, and so me and my friends, we would go to the mall, occasionally go shopping, get our nails done, this, that, and the other. And I guess it's turned into a story time real quick, but I was in the nail salon and I was getting my nails done and stuff, and you know, people be talking and stuff, and this girl was on the phone like, yeah, Will Smith is in the mall. And I'm like, who is she talking about, Will Smith? But I'm like, Will Smith, girl, you done piqued my interest. I'm like, craning in my ear to hear what she talking about. She was like, yeah, he in the mall, he's shopping with his son for some video games or something. And I was under the dryer, so it was perfect. I was almost finished, okay? I was almost finished. And I was like, oh no, I'm not leaving this mall and not seeing for sure if Will Smith is here. So girl, I went upstairs because the mall had different levels, okay? I was on one level, and then, you know, he was up on the other level shopping in the GameStop, in, you know, with his son. And they had cleared everybody out. There's GameStop, everybody outside the store taking pictures and stuff, and they had like blocked off that area of the mall. Like guards were standing there like, you know, you can't come by. I'm like, man, I'm making my way. So I, you know, was watching him. He came out the mall. He was walking one way. I'm on the other side. Okay, so it's basically you gotta, you know how the mall has like a high ceiling and then it just has, you can walk around it, but there's no floor, you know, connecting you to walk straight across. So he's over on that side, basically looking like, it's kind of like a balcony, but it's really not. Y'all know what I'm talking about. And then I'm on this side, and he's walking, but then in the middle, a little farther down, there is a walkway for you to get from this side of the mall to the other side. So he had to come this way, so I'm coming this way straight to him. And girl, it's so ridiculous. I like him, or I liked him so much at that point in time. I've grown up now, please, girl, get a life. But I was crying. No one else in the mall is crying because it's like, it's Will Smith. It's not like Chris Brown or anybody, you know, anybody my age that I could potentially like get on with, you know. Is this old? He's not old, but in retrospect, in respect to me, he's like, he was up there. I'm like, why am I don't know. But anyways, I'm sitting here crying like, oh my god. And he said, he walked up to me, he's like, how you doing, sweetie? And he shook my hand, girl, and I was so excited. And my friends, they had like, I was in the nail salon, so they had gone, they was like, we're gonna go to the flower shop and get some flowers, whatever. So this whole time I'm on the phone calling anybody who would listen, like, Will Smith is in the mall, I'm gonna meet him, I gotta find him, I'm gonna meet him, or whatever. And they're like, what? And I'm like frantic on the phone. They don't hardly know what I'm talking about. And so they're trying to run back to the mall to see what I'm talking about, and they had missed the whole thing. I was like, y'all, I met him. I met Will Smith. I met Will Smith, and he shook his hand or whatever. It was ridiculous. So anyways, that's my final little random fact about me. I met Will Smith real quick, you know? He shook my hand and everything. Like, I used to, you know that show on MTV? It was like Fanatic or something like that, or where they would have a person who really, you know, liked this celebrity, and then they would basically bring the celebrity out and they would, like, you know, meet and stuff. I would fantasize that eventually somebody would put me on the show and I would meet Will Smith, and of course obviously it never happened, but I actually met him. Yes. So anyways, those are some random facts about me. I don't know how many that was. I think it might have been 10, 11, something like that, but yeah, a little bit more insight into your girl Ashley on YouTube, okay? I hope you found this video fun. Let me know some random facts about you guys. What kind of food do you find disgusting? Because peas, no. Alright, let me know that. Alright, that would be interesting to know from you guys. And anything we have in common, let me know in the comment section below, and I will be talking to you guys really, really soon. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see ya.